Hi! Welcome to CoinFabric's Learning to Scout series on issues in Soroban, Stellar's smart contract language. Today, we'll explore a detection class known as Unsafe Map Get. In smart contracts, ensuring that access to map values is handled safely is crucial. The unsafe map get issue occurs when methods like get unchecked, or try get unchecked are used on a map object without proper error handling. This can lead to runtime panics if the type of the value in the map cannot be converted to the type required in the output. This may cause the contract to terminate unexpectedly, potentially leading to denial of service or an inconsistent state. Here is an example where this issue appears. Notice how the function retrieves values from a map using map_get without checking if the type of the value returned coincides with the one required by the output. If the types do not coincide, get will panic, causing the entire contract to fail. This example also shows how to safely populate a map with heterogeneous types and values by including multiple key value pairs in the definition of the map. Let's run Scout on this code. We navigate to the contract folder and run Cargo Scout Audit. The warning related to unsafe map get appears, indicating the issue. To address this issue, we use try get for safer access and ensure the map keys and values have compatible types throughout the process. When we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. In smart contract development, it's essential to handle map accesses safely to avoid unexpected runtime panics. Always ensure proper error handling when accessing map values. Thank you for watching. Learn more about Scout in the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.